I have a great recipe for Mexican lettuce wraps. 2 cups of tomatoes, half a cup of red onion, the juice from 2 limes, half a cup of cilantro, half a teaspoon seasoned salt, half a teaspoon cumin, 1 hot pepper or adjust to your taste, 1 15-ounce can of black beans rinsed, 3 cups of cubed cooked chicken breast, half a cup of sour cream, Bibb or butter lettuce leaves. Finely chop your tomato, red onion, hot pepper, and cilantro. In a bowl, add your chopped ingredients along with your chicken, seasoned salt, cumin, beans, and lime juice. Refrigerate until you're ready to serve. When you're ready to serve, spoon the mixture into your lettuce leaves.